Welcome to Tibetan with Norpu. I'm Norpu. In today's lesson, we are going to learn family members in Tibetan. Grandfather, po po, po po, po po. Grandmother, mo mo, mo mo, mo mo. Father, pa lak, pa lak, pala. Mother, ama lak, ama lak, amla. Brother, cho cho, cho cho, cho cho. Elder brother, chen po, chen po, chen po. Younger brother, chung po, chung po, chung po. Sister, a chak, a chak, a chak. Elder sister, chen mo, chen mo, chen mo. Younger sister, chung mo, chung mo, chung mo. Boyfriend, girlfriend, or partner. Ka rock, ka rock, karo. Children, tu gu, tu gu, tu gu. Kid, pu gu, pu gu, pu gu. Husband, kyo ka, kyo ka, kyo ga. Wife, ke men, ke men, ke me. Uncle, mother's brother. A xiang, a xiang, a xiang. Uncle, father's brother. A ku, a ku, a ku. Aunt, su mo, su mo, sumo. Nephew, ca wo, ca wo, ca wo. Niece, ca mo, ca mo, ca mo. Groom, mak pa, mak pa, mak pa. Bride, na ma, na ma, na ma. Father-in-law, kö po, kö po, kö po. Mother-in-law, kö mo, kö mo, kö mo. That's all for today's lesson. See you in the next one. Thank you. तुझे छे चेल जेयों.